Attention all property managers, condo associations, and homeowners. Get ready for the event of the year, South Florida's biggest and best condo and HOA Expo. And guess who will be there? Cutter's Edge Total Landscape Solutions, bringing their expertise right to you. Visit our arbor display booth and don't miss the chance to witness our skilled team demonstrating proper tree trimming techniques using our state-of-the-art electric saws.
Wow.
We know the importance of maintaining healthy and beautiful trees, and our experts will be able to answer all your questions and provide valuable tips. So mark your calendars for December 7th from 10 to 4 at the Broward County Convention Center in Fort Lauderdale. Come meet the Cutter's Edge team and discover how we can elevate your property's curb appeal. Come look for Cutter's Edge Total Landscape Solutions at South Florida's biggest and best condo and HOA Expo, December 7th. More info at cuttersedgepro.com.